YouTube. Today I'm really excited because I got my fishing pole. I decided to go fish. Before that, I really don't have any experience about fishing, but I assume you gotta have a very good fishing pole. That's it. Okay, this is the fishing pole I got. It's pretty handy, pretty convenient to carry, I assume, and it's a very good solid material. It looks like a fiberglass. No, it's gotta be could be fiberglass, I assume. That the handle it's pretty grippy, and when you push it like this, it's gonna be very long. So I really envision that I'm use this to go fishing. And also this, look. So I'm thinking what I'm supposed to do is to fix this retriever to here, and rotate this. Then right? Okay. And I got this. I'm not really sure what is this, but it should be something useful to fix to attach the string, and also the string. And they tell me that this string is enough for just a regular fishing, recreational fishing. So I'm really excited. Oh, last but not least, I want to show you the bait. It's not a genuine. Look. This is the really interesting. It's so funny. This is the silicone fish. It looks so real. Not only this, but also this. With the hook attached. So I think it's gonna be very handy because I don't have to buy the worm or get the fresh bait. Yeah, that's my brief interview. So far, I really like this kit. I'm really happy with that. Yes, it's almost $64 to something like that. But I'm happy with that. All right. Thank you very much, and see you next time.
Hey pal, the mailman just brought me my new collapsible rod. It's actually nicer in person. Thing's pretty sweet, buddy. Look at this. Look at that rail. Very smooth, very smooth. See how they taper off the new rods now? The ends are thinner, and then they flare out. But overall, very impressed with this. It's a 6-foot rod. And it's the Sougayilang, whatever that name is, right? Comes with an extra graphite reel, so in a bag. And it breaks right down. It's collapsible. Okay, pal.